In this video, we are going to talk about an AirDrop alternative. If you have used an iPhone or a MacBook, you are probably aware of what an AirDrop is. AirDrop is a feature which lets you share files and folders between different Apple devices. SnapDrop is an open source alternative for AirDrop. SnapDrop is available on all platforms, not just Apple or Mac devices. In this video, we are going to see SnapDrop features, its pros and cons, and how we can use SnapDrop to share files and folders over a local network. So without any further ado, let's get started. AirDrop is a great solution if all your devices are Apple-based devices, but typically this is not the case. Normally you would want to share your files with different devices which are Android, Windows and other platforms. Built as the easiest way to transfer files across different devices, SnapDrop runs in a web browser and doesn't require you to install any special software. The website is one of the simplest sites I have seen for any project. There is not much text or buttons to click. It just does exactly what it promises. Each session has a unique username and the devices this session is running on uses this name to identify itself over the local network. Let's see a demo about how to share files. Let's say you want to share files from your Android phone to your PC. To do that, first you need to open the website on your PC and find the username associated with this device. Once you are done, go to your Android phone and open the same website, snapdrop.net. Now the site should display the username associated with your PC. Note that this only works if both the devices are connected to the same local network. In order to share a file, simply click on the button for the laptop device and add the file. The file should be transferred now to the PC and you should see a pop-up to save this file. You have now successfully shared a file with SnapDrop. SnapDrop uses a peer-to-peer connection if WebRTC is supported by the browser. WebRTC needs a signaling server, but it is only used to establish a connection and is not involved in the file transfer. None of your files are ever sent to any server. Files are sent only between peers. SnapDrop doesn't even use a database. If you are curious, take a look at their server. Even if SnapDrop was able to view the files being transferred, WebRTC encrypts the files on transit, so the server would be unable to read them. If you are using a Chromium-based browser, you can easily install SnapDrop Progressive Web App on your desktop. SnapDrop focuses on simplicity, so it lacks in some features. Thankfully, there are quite a few forks of the project which intend to enhance the functionality of SnapDrop. Pairdrop is one such alternative. It adds multiple features to improve the security and usability of the app. SnapDrop is only limited to local networks, but Pairdrop can work over enhanced networks like VPNs and public Wi-Fi. Pairdrop also improves security as well. It adds a share secret which is used to transfer files. In addition, it also features several user interface improvements, and files are only transferred once the recipient has accepted the invitation. And finally, with Pairdrop, you can send multiple files at once. I hope you liked this video, and if you are interested in open source and Homelab related news, consider subscribing to this channel, and see you in the next video.